The next question is question number 7. Question number 7 says the sum of interior angle of a polygon is given as 1080. Is given as 1080. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Okay, now this is under polygon. Now question number 7 is based on polygon. So it tells us that the sum of the interior angle, the sum of angle is 1080, and then find the number of the sides of the polygon. We have to find the number of sides of the polygon. You remember that under polygon we have 2n minus 4 bracket 90 equals to the sum of angle. All right, and then each of this angle is, to find your n, you just have this to be equals to you have 2n minus 4 bracket 90 is equals to 1080. So if you open up these brackets, you have 180n minus 360 equals 1080. Okay, so you have your 180n to be equals to 1080 plus 360. Then your n, which is the number, is 1080 plus 360 divided by 180. Okay, so you have your n to be equals to this plus this, you have 0. Then 6 plus this, you have 4. Then 6 plus 8, you have 14. Then you have 1. Then 1, you add it to this, you have 4. 1 plus 3, you have 4. And then you have this, you have 1440 divided by 180. So this 0 has gone with this 0. So you have 144 divided by 18. Okay, so we have this. You just divide it by 2. So if 2 goes in 14 7 times, and 2 goes in 4 2 times, divided by 2 in 18, then you have 9. Now it's easy to divide 72 by 9. Okay, so you have this to be equals to 9 times 7 is 8. 72 divided by 9 is what? Is 8. 9 times 8 is 72. Okay, so the number of sides is what? Is 8. So if you look at it, your option A says 5, B says 7, C says 6, and D says 8. So your answer is D. Okay. Now question number 8. Question number 8 says in the diagram above, L1 is parallel to L2. Find the value of angle PMT. Find the value of angle PMT. So if you look at it, you have your angle PMT like this. You have your M, you have your T. So this is your L1, which is parallel to your L2. So this is Y here. And then we're giving this to be equals to 62. And this to be equals to 2Y plus what? Plus 10. Okay. This is pretty straightforward. What we are looking for is, this is P. This is P right here. So we're looking for angle PMT, which is this. We're looking for the 2y plus 10 angle. All right. So what we're just going to do is just angle on the straight line equals to 180 degrees. So we have 62 plus 2y plus 10 plus y equals to 180 degree. Angle on a straight line. Sum of angle on the straight line is 180 degree. So you have this to be equals to 62 plus 10, you have 72. Plus 2y plus y, you have 3y equals what? 180 degrees. Then you have your 3y to be 180 minus 72. So you have your 3y to be equals to 180 minus 72 will be equals to 108. Remember, all you need for 72 to be 80 is just 8, so you have 108. All right, so your y is 108 divided by 3. So you have 3 in 10, you have 3. How many 3 can you get in 10? 3. Then 1, that's remaining 18. 3 in 18, you have 6. Okay, so your y is equals to 36. Actually, your y equals to 36, but the angle you're looking for is 2y plus 10. That's PMT. So don't jump into conclusion and pick 36. Okay, what you're looking for is y, 2y plus 10, which is equals to 2 times 36 plus 10, which is equals to 36 times 2, that's 72 plus 10. Then this gives us 82. That gives us 82 degrees. So your option A says 82, your B says 36, C is 72, and D is 118. So the answer is your A. Please, it's not 36. Don't stop here and go and jump and pick the answer. Now, question number 9. Question number 9 says, from the diagram above, find the value of angle ROP. So this is question number 9. From the diagram above, find the value of angle ROP. This is all still under circle geometry. It's still under circle geometry. And this is an equilateral triangle, an equilateral. Are you getting a cyclic quadrilateral theorem? A cyclic quadrilateral theorem. What do we have under that theorem? If we have a quadrilateral in a cycle, the opposite angle, if this is theta 1 and this is theta 2, in a cyclic quadrilateral you have theta 1 plus theta 2 to be equal to 180 degree. The opposite angles sum up to 180 degree. The same way, if this is phi, you call this one phi 1 and then you call this one phi 2. Because they are opposite angles, you have phi 1 plus phi 2 to be equals to 180 degree as well. That is one thing you need to know under the cyclic theorem. Then the exterior angle, if this is an exterior angle, call beta. Okay, if this is an exterior angle, this is an exterior angle, call beta. Exterior angle, the theta facing the exterior angle, that's this theta 2 right here, is directly equals to the exterior angle. Are you getting it? What we are having here, this theta 2, from this setup, this beta here is directly equals to theta 2. Sorry, yeah, beta is directly equals to theta 2. Okay, because beta also plus theta 1 is equals to 180 degree. Is that all right? So now let's solve the question. The question says we have the exterior angle to be equals to 95 degrees. Are you getting it? And you are asked for ROP. Just like you're having this to be equals to, you're having this to be equals to ROP. You have this to be O, you have this to be P, and then you have this to be Q, and you have this to be R. This theta now is like your 95 degrees. Okay, so the ROP is this angle. ROP is this angle, so it's directly equals to the beta. So your answer is 95, nothing to be solved. So this is really a bonus this thing. So your angle ROP is equals to 95 degrees. Is equals to 95 degrees. Okay, now question number 10. Question number 10 is under Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram shows a class of 50 students, okay, with the games they play. How many students play only 2 games? So if you look at it, you have volleyball. This is volleyball. And then you have hockey. And then you have swimming. This is hockey. This is swimming. Okay. Now you have, this is to be 3. You have 4. You have 2. And then you have 10. You have 8. You have 6. And then you have 7. So is it how many students play only 2 games? These ones that, this is intersection. These ones are the people that play both volleyball and hockey only. These people here are the people that play volleyball and hockey only. These people here also are the people that play only hockey and swimming. Only hockey and swimming. And then these people here play volleyball and swimming. So these are the guys that play only 2 games. Only 2 games. So you just sum up the numbers in those boxes. So you have 8 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so that gives us 8 plus 3, that's 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. So those that play only 2 games are what? Are 15. So if you look at the options, option A says it's 15, B says it's 16, C says it's 20, and D says it's 18. So your answer is A. Your answer is A. Then question number 11. Question number 11 says if line P equals to 5x plus 3 is parallel to line P equals to wx plus 5, find the value of w. So you have line P equals to 5x plus 3, and line is parallel to line P equals to, that's the second line, equals to wx plus 5. Then find the value of w. This is under coordinate geometry. So what you need to know about this is this. You need to know that under coordinate geometry, when you have parallel lines, for parallel lines, you have your slope m1 equals to m2. So where m is the slope, and then for perpendicular lines, your m1 equals to minus 1 all over m2 is the negative inverse of the other slope. All right, now we are told it's the 2 lines are parallel. The 2 lines are parallel, so it means that their slopes will be equal. Now how do you know the slope of the equation 1 so that you can use that for the equation 2? Remember the general equation, which is y equals to mx plus c. So when you have that's the equation of a straight line. Equation of a straight line. You have y equals to mx plus c. So in this case, the coefficient of x represents m, and that m is the slope. Okay, so the slope of this first equation here is this 5. Okay, so the slope of the first equation is 5 because p, we have that to be p equals to 5x plus 3. If you compare that with this, this is directly equals to this, standing beside x, and then c is 3. That's your intercept. Okay, so the slope of the first equation is 5. Okay, and we say because it's a parallel line, m1 must be equals to m2. So the slope of the second equation is w, so it's directly equals to m1, so w is directly equals to 5. So there's nothing to solve actually, you just need to know this theorem of standards. So your w equals to 5. Okay, your w equals to 5. So if you look at the first option, 7, B, 3, C, 6, and D is 5. So your option is D.